Discreetly secure commercial or residential doorways. The lock is installed into the door frame with the strike fitted to the door. Unlock the door by utilizing an exit entry device. The door is now free to open. With the door closed, the lock automatically locks. Unlock the door by utilizing an exit entry device. Unlocking the door but not opening it activates a timer. After 8 seconds, the lock automatically relocks the door. Manual override is available with the YD25K. A key can be used to operate the lock pin. Any standard Euro-style cylinder can be utilized. The manual operation can be useful in both fail-safe and fail-secure modes.